Hi, welcome to our kitchen at work. I'm here today rather than my kitchen at home. We've got a lot more space, so I'm going to make a really unusual, different kind of modern cocktail today, an Elderflower Martinez. You might have heard of a Martinez before. It's the basis of many drinks such as the martini, but we're going to put a bit of a twist on it, a citrusy twist. I'm going to be using a gin called Wine and Spirits. These guys make a coastal citrus gin, so it's got a real refreshing lemony character to it, and we're going to mix it together in a mixing glass and just make something a little bit unusual. This drink is served in a coupe glass. I've pre-chilled it down. It's good to have a nice cold glass when you pour it in, and let's put it together. So first of all, I've got my little jigger using imperial measurements today, so it's 40 mils of the gin, which is just shy of a double measure. And then I'm going to use Lily Blanc, which is a dry vermouth. There's a little bit of sweetness actually on it. So it's a type of vermouth, and we're going to use 20 mils of this. Great, and that goes. And then to give it that elderflower lift, I'm going to use an elderflower liqueur, and just 10 mils of this. You don't need very much. Just gives it a hint of sweetness as well. To balance out that sweetness and to give a little bit more of a citrusy kick, I've got some orange bitters. I'm just going to use 2 dashes of that. 1, 2. Great. Lovely. And now we just need to mix the drink. So I'm going to pop in some ice, use a bar spoon, give it a good old mix. You want to stir it for about 20 seconds or so. Okay, so that's all stirred now. Just need to pour it into the glass. Right, okay, so just going to pour it out now. Lovely. Looks great in the glass already, but we've got a few little garnishes to go on top. So first of all, a little bit of a apple slice on the side. Look at that. And a bit of green, bit of decoration, bit of coriander on top as well. And there we have it, an Elderflower Martinez.